Hi everybody, my name's Dhiran Mistry and I work at the John Barrett Salon at Bergdorf Goodman. And today I'm with Cassie and we are going to show you how to rock big glamorous curly hair. So as you can see, Cassie's already got amazing curls. So what I'm going to do is, just to enhance the curls a little bit more, I'm going to use a curling iron. Not a very big one, because as you can see, Cassie already has some really tight curls going on. Depending on the curls that you have, you might want to use slightly bigger curling iron. So I'm just going to take a few small pieces and go over them with this curling iron, and then what we'll do is we'll flick her upside down and just start to build some more volume inside. Now doing this to the hair will just give some more definition to some of those curls that, you know, when you wake up, the hairline tends to get a bit frizzy, or you've been outside, it's a bit of a windy day, and you know, you just want a bit more definition on some of these really frizzy bits. So with a lot of people with curly hair, the hairline tends to act a bit differently. So I would especially pay close attention to the hairline. You know, these are the bits that become more frizzy. Anything that touches your clothes or where you sweat on your hairline, those parts start to misbehave. So what I'm doing now is just picking up some of the pieces that I can see that are a little bit frizzy or less defined, and just, I'm not separating the hair too much. I'm grabbing a curl that already exists and just making it a little bit more defined. So I'm not breaking up the natural curl too much. So once you've added some more curls, just to create some more volume, I'm going to get you to flick your head forward for me. If you flick your head upside down, give it a really good shake. Shake out all those curls. And you can put a bit of hairspray if you need, just to get it to stick. So just put a touch of hairspray on that, and then just really fluff it up. Now that the hair's got a bit more definition to it, you can play around with it a bit more. And then flick your head back. And there we have it. How to rock some big glamorous curls.